Welcome to MORTEX. Today I am going to show you how you can report a fake Instagram profile. Let's get started. So first thing you need to do is open your Instagram account. Then go to the search box and type in the name who is pretending to be you or someone else. Open the profile. Click on the right side of the screen where you can see the 3 black dots. Then go to report and then fill in the options. So after that you will see that thanks for reporting this account. This won't disable the account at all. The main thing which hits in is this. You have to go to the Google search box and type in report a impersonation account on Instagram. Then you have to click here. Then click on this form. If someone is pretending to be you on Instagram, you can report this account with this form. You have to click here. After that, you have to read this. If you have an Instagram account, you can report it to us from within the app or by filling out this form. If you don't have an Instagram account, you have to click here. Okay, so you are getting what I'm saying is, if you have an account, you have to click here, and if you don't have an Instagram account, you have to click the form below, the link which is in the below side. Then you have to fill in these options. You have to enter your full name, your email address, and the account which is pretending to be you or someone else, and your Instagram profile username. After doing that, you have to add a photo of your identification proof. It can be your driving license, and if you're an Indian, you would have an Aadhaar card. Just link it below here by choosing this file option. This will take you to the file manager and select the file, means the photo which you have clicked of your ID proof. If you want to add, you can add additional info and then click on send. It will show a message like this on your screen. So that's all for today guys. Thanks for watching.